All right, guys. Now I want to talk to you guys about styling and styling products and tools and things like that. So at Barber Company, we have two brands of products. We have First Hand Supply Company, and they make a texture clay, an all-purpose pomade, the clay pomade. This one's more matte. This one's got more of a shine, and this one is no shine, super tacky, great for textured haircuts. I use all of them every single day. Great products. I'm going to use every single one of them in the styling tutorials. So stick around, check them out. They're magnificent products. I love the matte products right now. They're what's kind of in. They're what's in for these textured styles when I love texture. So another brand that we use, guys, is the Tip Top pomade. They're a great brand, great pomade. I specifically use their water-based pomade, but they have multiple products. Super water-based, washes out really easily, great hold. Smells amazing, but what we look for at Forbes are products that last all day, and this product really does. We like our clients to leave here looking as best as possible and having their hair stay set and looking as best as possible all day, every day, when they do it, when we do it. So yeah, guys, check out Tip Top products. They're super rad. And another thing that you guys need, anybody needs, every man should use, but no man does use, is a blow dryer. I have the Dyson, as you can see here. And by using the blow dryer, it allows you to dry the hair, obviously. But by drying the hair and adding the tension with the brush and the heat from the blow dryer, you're allowing that style to be set in stone. You are setting that shape into the hair, and it'll help the hair stay that way for longer throughout the day for their clients. And all of my clients love it. Every barber should be blow dry styling their clients, and if they're not, the stylings probably aren't staying all day long, and if they are, they've got some extra product and the hair is probably all stuck and glued down, and the client probably doesn't enjoy it very much. All right, guys, stick around. We're gonna start styling up those other 3 haircuts you saw. Enjoy, I hope you learned some more.